Okay, do you want something to drink? Number 3, Kamekolia, still Kamekolia. Please help me to answer the number 3.
What would you like to drink?
What would you like to drink? Okay, what would you like to drink? All right. What would you like to drink? Do you want some? So everyone, you can check your answer ya. Yang lain boleh cek jawabannya ya. Alright, number 4. What is your answer for number 4?
Don't worry.
Don't worry. Yeah, correct. Don't worry. Alright. Thank you for helping me, Miss Kamekolia. I would like to find another, Miss Elizabeth Romini. Hi, hi.
Yes, Miss.
So how are you?
I am fine.
Okay. And have you done your homework?
Yes.
Okay. So can you help me to answer for number 5?
Yeah. Here you are.
Okay. Pardon me. Can you repeat, please?
Here you are.
Here you are.
Here you
Yeah.
are.
Here you are. Here you are.
Ya,
Nah, tapi tulisannya benar ya?
betul.
Oke, cuman cara pengucapannya ya. Here you are. How about number 6, Miss?
Do you want to have some ice cabin?
Do you want to have some ice cubes in? Okay. Do you want? All right. Number 7.
I don't like cool drink.
I don't like cool drink. Ya. Kalau cool aja cool jadi kayak C-O-O-L. This one is cool. Cool. I don't like cool drinks. Okay. Number 8.
Let's be know if. Let's be know. Yeah.
Oh,
Let's me know.
okay. Incorrect ya. Ada yang kurang tepat. Let me.
Let's be.
Let me. Ya, let me know.
Yeah.
Kalau tadi let itu singkatan dari let us.
Oh, tidak pakai S ya?
Iya. Let me know if you want some more fruit juice. Okay. How about number 9, Miss?
9. Where do you buy this orange? Yeah.
Okay, where do you buy these orange?
This orange. Yeah.
Would you like?
Where do you buy? Okay, and the last one.
Would you like to have?
Would you like?
Would you like?
Okay.
Would you like? Yeah.
Okay, wow, awesome. Keren ya.
Okay,
Would
thank
you
you.
like? So how do you think? Is it easy? Apakah ini mudah? How do you think, Miss Elizabeth?
Yes.
About this homework. How do you think about this homework? Is it easy? Apakah mudah?
Ya, apa ya? Apa sulit itu?
Mendengarkannya
harus berulang-ulang.
Ya, memang. You have to try listen. Ya. Tapi bisa loh, keren juga loh. Ini bisa semua loh. Wow. Berarti nanti, ya?
Perlu waktu.
Perlu waktu.
Perlu waktu.
Iya. Because if you want to study English, you need to do something extra, ya, something lebih extra. But thank you, Miss Elizabeth, for doing this homework. I appreciate it. Okay, so how about the others? Gimana yang lainnya? Ada yang benar semua? Can you raise up your hand if you answer all of the questions correctly? So I want to see. If you answer all of the questions correctly, please raise up your hand so I can see that. Okay, wow. Wow, okay. How about Miss Annie? How Miss Annie? Did you answer all of the questions correctly?
Yes.
Yeah?
Mm.
Okay. Yeah, I know because you are smart in English.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So last time we just learned about how to offer something ya. Minggu lalu kita belajar tentang gimana caranya menawarkan. Nah, menawarkan sesuatu. We can use some phrases. Kita bisa gunakan ungkapan-ungkapan such as seperti
Like, do you
would you
want?
like?
Like, do you
Nah,
want?
do you want?
Mm.
And then
Let me know.
would you like? Let
Let me know.
know.
No.
Yeah, let me know. Okay. And now I'm going to share about invitation. Yeah, invitation. And we still use the same phrase. Ya, kita akan gunakan yang masih sama. Okay, so please take a look at the screen here. Okay, making invitation. Yeah, you know the meaning of making invitation?
Undangan.
Membuat
Mengundang.
undangan atau mengajak ya. Making
Mengundang.
an invitation. Okay. So in this meeting, we will learn about how do you invite people to do something in English, and how do you respond, and how do you refuse? Gimana cara menolaknya or to accept untuk menerimanya. Okay, ya. Making invitation lah. See, we still use the same expression. Kita masih gunakan yang sama. Do you want? Do you want to join a party this evening? Apakah kamu mau? Nah, ini bukan menawarkan ya, tapi sama menggunakannya. Do you want to join a party this evening? Would you like? Nah, would you like? Coba biasakan gunakan would you like? Would you like? Ya, would you like? Would you like to join us at a singing competition next week? Would you like to come with me? Would you like to come with me? Itu kan ngajak ya. Would you like to go to church with me? Itu mengajak. Kalau kemarin menawarkan, would you like to drink something? Would you like to eat something? Nah, jadi tinggal diganti-ganti aja. Tapi masih still use the same phrase. Would you be interested in visiting my grandparents at weekend? Maukah kamu mengunjungi kakek nenekku akhir pekan ini? How about having a cup of coffee now? After how about kata kerjanya ditambahkan ing. How about going? How about going? Ini how about having? How about having a cup of coffee now? Gimana kalau kita minum kopi sekarang? How about going to the mall now? Gimana kalau kita pergi ke mall? Jadi after how about, remember, you have to use verb ing, ya. Gunakan verb ing. How about apa ya? Ada yang bisa kasih ide yang lain? How about selain going? How about going home? How about going home now? Mengajak, ya. Nah, care to come over for dinner. Care artinya peduli, but care to come over for dinner artinya kita ngajak. Maukah kamu datang untuk makan malam? I was just wondering if you would like to come over for a tea. Saya bertanya, saya hanya nanya-nanya nih, saya pengen tahu maksudnya gitu ya. I was just wondering if you would like to come over for tea. Nah, I give some underline here. Aku kasih yang ada yang garis bawahnya. Ini yang biasa sering digunakan. Do you want? Would you like? And how about? Ya, how about? How about studying? Nah, how about studying English with 40 tonight? How about studying English? Okay. How about Miss Rena Butar-Butar? Can you give me another example using how about? Miss Rena Butar-Butar. Hi, hi.
Hi,
Okay, there you go. How about? Can you give me another example? How about? Gimana kalau kita pasti pernah ngajak ya? Because in our daily normal life, we usually invite someone maybe to do something. So can you give me another example using how about?
How about we go to swimming pool?
How about going?
Oh yeah,
Yeah. How about going
going
to
to swimming
the
pool.
swimming pool? Okay. How about another example? Coba yang lain. How about?
How about making cake today?
Okay, how about making cake today? Yeah. Wah. Okay, thank you for helping me.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay. Yang lain ya. Kita cari dulu yang lain. Okay, Miss Betty. Miss Betty.
Halo.
Hello. Thank you for sending me your homework.
Thank you.
You did it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. So can you give me another example using how about? Kalau would you like, do you want kan kita sudah ya. Tinggal tambahkan how about.
Mhm.
How about?
How about singing at karaoke?
Singing to karaoke.
Okay.
Ya. Gimana kalau kita nyanyi? Oke. Another, yang lain. Another example. How about?
I try ya, Miss.
Okay, oh Miss Tima. Miss Tima would like to try. Okay.
Okay, how about cooking a noodle?
How about cooking noodle? Yeah, but cooking.
Huh?
Cooking tadi sudah digunakan oleh Miss Rena.
Oh, okay.
Oke, yang lain coba find another example.
How about eating?
How about eating? How about eating? Ya, ngacak ya. How about eating bakso? Come on,
Ya.
let's go. Ya.
Eating makan.
Another example, can you?
Apa ya? Apa lagi ya?
How about?
Oh, ya. How about reading a book?
How about reading a book? Yeah. Reading a book and drinking a cup of tea.
Ah, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Miss.
All right. Thank you for helping me giving another idea. Okay, now ini do you want, would you like, how about we can use to making invitation, ya. Next. Nah, this is how to accept. Gimana cara menerimanya? Sure. How about cooking cake this evening? Sure. This evening ya, tadi udah dijawab. How about cooking? How about cooking? Or how about baking? Baking some cake. Sure, when? Tonight. How about join? How about joining? Join ya. How about joining our Zoom meeting tonight? I'm happy to join. Thanks. Thanks. I'd love to. Thank you. I'd love to. I'd love itu singkatan dari I would like. I would ya. I would love to berarti di sini. I would love to. Thank you. That sounds lovely. Thanks. Sepertinya kedengaran menyenangkan. That sounds lovely. Thanks. That's very kind of you. Thank you. What a great idea. Thanks. Okay, I'd love to. Okay. Accept the invitation. How about if we want to review? Gimana kita mau menolaknya? Kan kita, because we cannot, maybe sometimes we cannot join, so we can refuse. We should refuse. Yeah, we should refuse. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. Maaf, saya nggak bisa. I'm sorry, I can't. No thanks. Saya no thanks. I'm tired now. Okay. Or this time is not good for me. I'm so tired. This time is not good for me. How about going to the swimming pool tomorrow? Oh, I'm busy tomorrow. We just changed the time, yeah. I'm busy. Sorry. That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you, but I have an appointment tomorrow. Tapi saya ada janji besok. Kamu baik sekali, tapi saya ada janji besok. I'd love to, ya. I'd love to or I would love to. But actually, tapi sebenarnya actually I'm already have an appointment. Saya sudah punya janji, appointment. I'm already have an appointment. Well, I don't think I can. I'm supposed to go to the doctor. We are really sorry, but we can't. We have another schedule. Kita punya jadwal lain. Okay. And another reasons, ya. Dan alasan-alasan yang lain. Okay. I have a short conversation. Ada yang pendek ya, percakapan pendek. Okay. I will read the dialogue for you. Hello, Jojo. How are you doing? I'm doing well. How are you? Great. By the way, my husband and I are going to the theater tonight. Would you and your wife like to join us? I appreciate the invite, but we have other plans tonight. Maybe another time. Okay. So let's review the vocabulary. Kita lihat ya, review ya. How are you doing? Nah, how are you doing is the longer form of how are you. We have learned about this one. Yeah, I hope you still remember. How are you doing? And I'm doing well. I'm doing well. It is the formal way to saying I'm good. I'm doing well. Okay. By the way, yang sebelumnya conversation-nya ada by the way ya. By the way bukan dengan jalan ya. Dengan jalan bukan. By the way is a phrase ya untuk mengalihkan ya. Mengalihkan pembicaraan yang sebelumnya agak tidak nyambung atau artinya ngomong-ngomong, by the way, ngomong-ngomong. My husband and I are going to the theater tonight. Would you? Nah, kita ketemu lagi ya. Would you apa nih? Would you and? Nah, would you and your wife? Kalau tadi nggak ada your wife-nya, would you like to join us? Would you like to join us? Okay. Nah, so Jojo refuse. Jojonya menolak, refuse. I appreciate the invite. Saya menghargai undangannya. This is the polite way to say no, ya, to say no ya. Jadi enggak, no I can't, enggak gitu aja. Tapi I appreciate the invite. Nah, because sometimes people give the reasons. Kadang orang kan memberikan alasannya, but some of them didn't give the reason. But we have other plans tonight. Maybe another time. Maybe another time after refuse the invitation. This phrase is suggest another time to do that, ya. It's used to suggest untuk menyarankan waktu yang lain. Okay. I would like to ask two of you, dua dari kalian, to practice this dialogue, to invite and to refuse. Miss, apa ini? Yang nggak ada mukanya, banyak yang nggak ada mukanya ya? Atau nggak ada mukanya ini sebenarnya?
Ya ampun, nggak ada mukanya.
Nggak ada mukanya berarti ini ya. Yang ada mukanya aja deh. Oh ya, Miss Alitri aja nih, Miss Ani Uli Putri yang tadi tidak mengerjakan PR. Kita kerjain dulu, Miss Ani Uli Putri. You will read as Jenna and Miss Annie. Wah, Miss Annie yang bantuin aja sebagai Jojo. Miss Annie, you will read as Jojo.
Yes.
Okay. So please take your time to practice this dialogue.
Okay. Hello, Jojo. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Great. By the way, my husband and I are going to the theater tonight. Would you and your wife like to join us?
I appreciate the invite, but we have other plans tonight. Maybe another time.
Okay, thank you. Tapi tadi Miss apa tadi namanya? Uni ya? Tadi. Tadi ada yang kurang tepat ya. I'm going to the theater tonight. Theater tonight. Would you? Nah, would you? Kita udah belajar tapi tadi agak-agak canggung. Would you and your wife like to join us? Okay, so I need both of you to practice it one more time.
Yes, Miss.
One more time. Okay.
Hello, Jojo. How are you doing?
I am doing well. How are you?
Great. By the way, my husband and I are going to the theater tonight. Would you and your wife like to join us?
I appreciate the invite, but we have other plans tonight. Maybe another time.
Okay, thank you. Miss ini apa Miss? Coba. Miss Annie suaranya kayak yang di ini ya, speaker English itu ya. Ya audio itu ya. Dan jangan ini ya yang suka bikin bingung kalau lagi dengerin listening nih suaranya.
Oh,
kayak orang aslinya ngomongnya.
wah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yang lain deh, Miss Rena. Dan senyum-senyum aja Miss Rena. And Miss Rosana. Miss Rena and Miss Rosana RR. Practice this dialogue together. Miss Rena, kok di unmute lagi? Miss Rena, you will read as Jena, and Rosana, you will read as Jojo.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, Jojo. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Well, how are you?
Great. By the way, my husband and I are going to the theater tonight. Would you and your wife like to join us?
I appreciate the invite, but we have other plans tonight. Maybe another time.
Maybe another time. Yeah, thank you. Okay, tadi yang semua yang aku dengar di-invite, bener ya, di-invite. Kalau dia diawali dengan sounds vowel, kita bacanya the, ya, not the. Bukan the invite. Tadi yang lain sudah baca sudah langsung benar semua. Wah, keren-keren ya. The invite ya. Jadi kayak misalnya, makanya kalau kita dengar the end ya, tamat, the end, not the end. Jadi kalau diawali start with vowels, I, kan I ya. Kita jadi berarti bacanya bukan the tapi the invite. Okay. Alright. So, how about we will try without use this dialect, tanpa menggunakan dialect ini, but I need one of you to invite and one of you to respond. You may accept, but you may refuse to. Ya, kamu boleh nolak, boleh juga terima ya. Kita cari ya, let's find. Miss Rima and Miss Tirsa. Aduh, gue langsung begini. Hai kakak. Hai. Hai
Oh.
Tirsa, please unmute. Hai. Ini dari Papua bukan sih? Are you from Papua? Ntar aku salah tebak.
From Papua.
Oh iya, berarti panggilnya hai kakak gitu ya?
Hai sis.
Okay, Miss Rima, please start the dialogue to invite, ya, to invite the siapa tadi? Aku gak ngerti kalau buat spot ininya ya, jadi suka ngilang-ngilang. Ini stop dulu deh, stop. Jadi nggak nyontek. Oke, tadi Miss Rima and siapa tadi? Oh, Tirsa. Miss Rima and Tirsa. So please practice to invite and to respond. Miss Rima yang
Oh.
invite, Tirsa yang respon ya. Oke, go ahead, silahkan.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Technical
wow.
miss. Okay. I'm try.
I will try.
Oh, I will try. Okay. Hello, Miss Tirsa.
Hi, Miss Rima.
How are you doing?
I Tarekan kami.
Come on, ayo. Don't be shy. Jangan malu ya.
Duduk. I'm only sitting.
How are you doing? Itu artinya apa kabarmu?
How are you doing?
Yeah, how are you doing? Not what are you doing, beda. It's different. What are you doing? Artinya apa yang kamu lakukan. How are you doing? Nah, yuk. Ulang ya, repeat ya. Concern, please.
Oh, okay, Miss. Hello, Tirsa.
Hi, Miss Rima.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm good. Oh yeah. Can you follow me to market? Going to market?
Yes, I can.
Oh, okay. Aduh, apa lagi?
Aduh.
Let's going. Let's
go.
going.
Nah, tapi you didn't use the phrase that we learned. Kamu tidak menggunakan yang diajarkan tadi. Kalau can you itu menanyakan aja apa namanya bisakah?
Yeah.
Maksudnya dapatkah ya? We are studying about invite, how to invite. So one more time, you can
Nervous,
use
Miss.
would you like atau do you want or how about ya? Okay. Please.
I'm nervous.
Nervous ya?
Please, silent please. Okay. Do you want tadi ya? Okay. Hello, Tirsa.
Hi, Miss.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm good. Oh yeah. Do you want going to go library?
Library.
Or library?
Do you want, Miss Tirsa?
Jaringannya Miss tadi kurang bagus, Miss.
Oh, jaringannya. Oke, jaringannya. Coba
Oke.
diulang, jaringan.
Jaringannya tadi.
Ulang dari awal lagi ya,
No.
Miss ya?
Dari invite-nya aja.
Oh,
Iya.
okay. Do you want going to a library?
Library.
Library.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Oh, okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. Thank you.
Okay. Do you want? Do you want? Yes, I do. Yes, of course. Wah, tadi ada yang belum, berarti jawabnya belum menggunakan contoh-contoh yang tadi ya? Oke. Nah, sebelumnya kita coba ya, we will look at the video